here. Happy Saturday, YouTube. God! I was rolling by this job site over here that Simpsons has been working on for a minute now, and I was gonna do a quick walk around of this Deere 750. Pretty good sized machine. I'm 6'5", unless it comes to my hip. The track comes to my hip. Pretty nice looking. I want to operate one of these. I've never got to operate a dozer. Check that pin out. What a pin. That's nice. That's real nice. I really want to operate one of these one day. Looks like we could do some damage with this. Man. We can do a lot of good stuff with this. Check this thing out. Check the blade out. Check that out. That's what I'm talking about there. I like how they tinted the windows. I do that. I don't know if they come factory that way or not. I thought you had to tint them yourself. Maybe they come factory that way. I don't know, but I think that's a very good idea. Sit inside that sucker right there all day long, man. Shoot. You don't want that sun in there with you all day. If you can help it anyway. Check that out. There ain't nobody around here. Or if there was, I'd see if they'd fire it up for us. There's an 850 right back there. Maybe I can, if I get down here one day while they got them in action, maybe I can catch it. Like I said, maybe I can catch it in action someday. I've never operated a dirt pan either. That'd be fun. That old cat down there, that old dozer down there. It used to actually, one here a little while back, they had it sitting like right here or something. It may have been right where this one right here is sitting. And I was gonna get out and do a walk around of it, but I didn't quite have that day I was kind of busy and didn't get a chance to. Yeah, that's a nice tractor. I need to borrow that for a day. I can mow the whole backyard down the house in less than 15 minutes with that thing. Shoot, wouldn't take me long. That's for sure. That's for short. Yeet. Monster. Man. Well, I don't know. Like I say, I'd tell you more ins and outs about these things, but I don't know anything about them, so I figured I'd do a walk around of it. That's a pretty nice looking machine. I just decided I wanted to walk around it and video it. Maybe it's not good entertainment, but it is for me. I love this stuff. I do definitely want to operate one day, for sure. So if anybody from Simpsons watches this, and you want to let a brother try, look how wide that is. I mean, that's fat. P-H-A-T, fat. Look at that track. Big old rounded, big old gal. One of them kind. It's awesome. Alright, well, guess I'm gonna head back over to the house and work on the truck.